Hello, my name is Dylan Hunter, and I'm going over uh, what I learned from week three's recorded video. So, what we talked about in class was a little bit about event propagation and how it is more useful than using the normal event listeners. And basically, that's what an event propagation would look like. He didn't really show too much on it, so I'm not going to go into it, but that's what that would look like. We mostly talked about debugging errors, and some of the errors he talked about were with pretty much punctuation. And I set up this app here from week one, and I'm going to show pretty much one of those errors that we learned in class. So I'm going to run the app. And now I get this red error message on the bottom, and it says fail to parse, which basically means it just failed to load, it failed to have any of the information. Also, go over here, it tells us which folder it was in, which app.js file it was in, and it was in movie items, which is the one I'm on, and the error I created. It also tells you the line where the error is made at, and you can see it's on line 27, and there's no code there. And basically that's because there's an error in punctuation, which also is what EOF means, end of file, and unexpected token. Token means punctuation. That's what we learned in class. So if I go through the code, start from the bottom and work my way up, these are my event listeners. They're ended with a semicolon, they're fine. And we go up to this one. See, this function starts here and then ends here. And then the if statement inside of it, that's all good. Now with this one, my function starts and ends, but my if state never does. So here, all I need to do is add that and run my app, and it should go through fine. And as you can see, it built my app just fine. So that's a little bit about what we learned in class.